In a significant push toward boosting Tripura's rural and agriculture economy, NABARD hosted the State Credit Seminar 2025 and 26 at a private hostel in the capital on Friday. The event served as a strategic platform to outline the credit potential and developmental roadmap for the upcoming financial year. The seminar saw participation from top-tier government officials and financial experts, emphasizing the collaborative effort required for state development. Apurva Roy, Secretary of Finance and Agriculture, Government of Tripura, Dr. Milin Ramtek, Secretary of Revenue, School Education and Urban Development, Anil S. Kodmar, General Manager, Officer in charge, NABARD.
The picture of the credit that will be extended for the financial year ahead will come very much clear to you. GM NABARD has already mentioned about some of the points, and these are very pertinent for our state. I also agree that we have to strengthen our primary sectors, especially agri and allied sector, where actually the solution lies. And I think if you want to improve our GSDP, the capital has to be infused in these sectors invariably, and it lies actually with the adoption of technology and institution building. I think these two things are very important. Unless we adopt new technologies and we don't build the institution. Building institution, what actually with this term, what I mean is, let it be a regular practice. You know, the institutional knowledge will be preserved, and the people are coming, you know, in the chair, I think after some time. If this, you know, the legacy is not maintained, in that case, we'll be losing track of the institutional knowledge. So we need to build up the knowledge that is passed on by our predecessors in any institution. So this is very important, and I think we should mention about these allied sectors, animal husbandry, especially the piggery and you know, the dairy is very important for our state. Piggery is little bit developed, but dairy, I think we need to invest more if we want to meet our requirement. Fisheries, again, actually we are depending. But if fish seeds production, especially in fish seed production, the state is self-sufficient. In fact, they are producing surplus and selling it outside also. If it is possible to produce fish seed, I think we can produce fish also, the consumable fish, to outside state. But we have to go for surplus production. We have to plan accordingly. I think if we need to do some sort of interim adjustment in the credit plan, then also I think we should do it. The Fisheries Department may come forward with their suggestions. And in horticulture and agriculture, I think what is important is, you know, the irrigation is very important. Mechanization is also important. Credit should go. I think the subsidy portion is also available from the central government through various schemes. I think the farmers should not be worried in using a machine, and also, you know, the state-of-the-art latest machines that is available in the market. If this credit is available to them, and as well as subsidy. Then irrigation, you know, actually we are halfway through. It is hovering around 40 to 50% every time. And I think we have to be serious with irrigation. If we really want to derive the expected results and go for, you know, cropping at least 2 times, if not 3 times, that is also, I think, a possibility in your state.
Reporter Paperna from Agatla, Chini Khorang.